Hello everyone, welcome back to the Art of Home Cooking. Today I'm gonna prepare dry chili chicken. So guys, I have marinated this boneless chicken with ginger garlic paste, black pepper powder, salt and 1 teaspoon of corn flour. But I will again put near about 1 teaspoon of corn flour in it and will mix it and will fry it one by one in the oil. Here you can put egg, but I'm not giving egg. I'm just making it simple. I have marinated this chicken for 30 minutes. The more you leave this chicken for marinated, the more the chicken will be tasty to have. So this is done. So now I will fry this chicken pieces. So now I will fry those chicken pieces. So I will put refined oil and will wait for the oil to get heated properly. So one by one I will fry this marinated chicken pieces in this oil. Slowly flip these chicken pieces when the other side gets a little bit golden brown in color. So guys, as you can see, this chicken is already turned golden brown in color. Okay. So guys, I have remove the excess oil after frying the chicken. So here I have 2 tablespoons of white oil, and in this I will put 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. I will put this chopped onion. At first I am giving onion, and then capsicum, put a little bit of salt, so after 5 minutes this capsicum and onion is totally cooked, and now I will put this chicken, fried chicken again. Stir a bit, and then I will put the sauce. So now it's time for me to put soya sauce, like 2.5 teaspoons. Tomato sauce, I'm giving 2 tablespoons because I like it. You can give according to your preferences. And now I will put chili sauce. For that I will now stir a bit. We'll give very little quantity of water so that the chicken gets properly cooked. We'll let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Let's see the chili chicken. Yeah, how beautiful the color is, right? But it's yet to be done because I will make not gravy one. I will make dry chili chicken, but it will not be so dry. So I will put corn flour mixed with water, like 2.5 teaspoons. Now you can see our delicious and yummy chili chicken is. You can serve this with noodles, you can serve this with rice, and kids will love. In fact, we will love, and do try at home and let me know how it was. I will just turn off the gas.
So guys, if you like this yummy and simple dry chili chicken recipe of mine, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for the such recipe. And please do subscribe guys. I really want your support and blessings in this journey of mine. Thank you so much. I'm gonna come with another new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.